Hi viewers, in this video I am going to make a short review on Wingsung 380 model fountain pen. It has a very good aesthetics. It has white and black and white stripes on the body and cap, and it has gold trims. And if I open, just this is a push pit pen, and it has a dual tone hooded nib and a black grip, and it has a regular ink filling mechanism. I mean rubber sock ink filling mechanism like hero pens. You want to dip inside the ink bottle, and then you want to press this for filling the ink. Okay, and let me speak about the pen maintenance, particularly for hero pens and the Wingsung pens. It is advisable to use a less viscous ink like Parker and Sailor, Pilot, Noodlers, and Schiffer, Pelican, Lamy, all those things, because the flow will be more in the tip, so you will get a sliding effect. But if you want to improve the handwriting, please don't use those inks, and you can use Brill ink and our brand Penhouse inks and Suleka, all those stuffs, because since the high viscous ink will slowly flow, so that it will be writing somewhat scratchy, so that your handwriting will improve, because our grandfathers and all those elders, they used to write in hero pens and these kind of pens, and they had a good control in stroking. I mean the control over the stroking of the letters, so you will get a good handwriting. Practice with this type of pens with high viscous inks, and then definitely your handwriting will improve. Okay, and whenever you use less viscous inks, and the frequency of cleaning this pen is normal, monthly once you can clean. But if you are using high viscous inks, monthly twice or thrice you may have to clean, because the dye will quickly precipitate in this type of feeder, and then it will obstruct the flow, so you will get more scratchy writing. And day by day you will feel the difference, and then at one fine day, and then your ink will stuck, and you will go for washing, and then you will struggle a lot. So frequent cleaning will prevent clogging of ink in the feeders. Okay, fine. And to change the nib, and we suggest you to soak this grip part alone in the soap water for a few hours, like 4 to 5 hours, so that the dye will be loosened, and the precipitated dye will be loosened, and you can rotate this, and you need to unscrew this one, and you can take out the nib. Don't try to pull it, because it has the thread inside. Okay, and or else you can go to the nearby jewelry shop, and they might be having some ultrasonic cleaners, and using that ultrasonic cleaner, what you can do, just soak it there for 10 minutes, and then take it out, and you can remove this nib. This nib is available in our store, and you can buy. And let us see how this pen writes. We are using our own brand Violet ink. Since I am dipping and writing, the flow will be more, but because the ink will be stagnated on the feeders, so the more flow will come. But we can see the exact flow once we fill the ink in the reservoir. I am writing with. Okay, the writing is smooth as of now. See, whenever you don't use this pen for more than a week, just clean the pen and keep it safe. That will be better. So, as I told in my previous videos on Wingsung, the company is closed, and we are getting old stocks from the company employees. They are having some collection, so we collect the pens from them. Frequently, you cannot see these pens in our site, Very rarely you can able to see. If you have any queries regarding this pen, and you can just comment us, and we will try to give you resolve the clarification. Yeah, thanks for watching this video.